Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are best natural nail designs to try for 2023. Trust me when I say nail art isn't just for maximalist. Yes, statement making chrome manis and vibrant marble nails may be all over your feet, but more natural looking nail designs are equally cool for 2023. The beauty of minimalist nail art and manicures done with subtle neutral polishes is that they won't clash with whatever you were wearing, and you won't tire of them as quickly as you would with a bolder design. Also great, most natural designs are shockingly easy to dye, so you can experiment with different many ideas without spending a ton of dollars or making a trip of the salon. And can makeup can be initiated for minimalist, which is why I recommend getting in on the trend with a wavy mani like this one here. It's subtle but still cool, and all you need is a clear base coat. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your family and friends. Nails are all the rage these days because they are inspired by professional nail art but don't require a steady hand. These still give off the same vibe as a carefully drawn on smiley, just without the time or expertise it took to actually draw one. This is for anyone in their finest era. The barley, their black tips on these clear nail can be achieved by dipping nail into black polish rather than painting the polish on. If your go to mani is in a pale pink polish shade, the easiest way for you to experiment with nail art it by using nail. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching my video.